Hello brothers, sisters, how y'all doing? This is work. Cooking with Cinda Kun, I'm back again. So it's an achievement or a dream come true to see your local food being done the same way outside your country, or to see your local country food in a big restaurant abroad. There is this joy that comes within when such happens. So when it comes to Afro shops or African shopping abroad, UK or England is number one, because you can find anything you want in African markets in UK, especially London. I was lucky to get this merchandise in London, and today we're preparing one of the local food called fufu, using the mortar and the pestle in UK. And the fufu will be served with live soup with fresh red tilapia with salted fish, salted Kobe, yeah, local fish, Kobe. It's gonna be like that. So big shout outs to Mr. Crown Cancer who made me know this, and also he's part of the YouTube family, yeah. So I hope you like this video. Kindly subscribe, like, follow, share, comment, tell a friend, tell a brother. Let's do this for Shizm and Nizzle. Wow. Yeah, so I was in London the other day, and I had this, what do you call it? I got this mortar from London. You know, London, everything is possible in London, small Africa, yeah? And I bought some for myself. If you don't see that London video, check it out and call Mr. Santi and also buy one for yourself. Yeah, it's about to go down. So this is our mortar, and fufu. Tim. And then we see. You know, yeah, so this is our mortar, and see how clean it is. Man, UK weather, you see the weather, it seems it's want to rain, but boy, oh, then yeah, I see fufu abano. Hey, yaba. My parents see me. You know, I died in it. We died in it. And we have this fish over here. This is red tilapia. They say red tilapia, or sometimes they call it red sniper or something. Yeah. And we have some pork meat over here as well.
Onipa beye biara, wo be ka no wasa. Oda senyi mo beye biara, wo be ka mo wasa ma. Wo ma mi ze magro. Wo ma mi ze magro. Achana me free razi.
We wanted to do cassava fufu here, but when the prices of the cassava, 1 kilo is £3, and it's not that big. Very slim, some slim banchi be £3. So we ignore that. We'll be using yam to do the fufu, okay? But we try to blend it with plantain. So yam fufu with plantain. Very cool. So the inside has been taken off already, but we just leave the intals same way. Yeah, we just leave that one just to fill up the head. Yeah, okay.
Madam Jenka Kalugu, and Jenna name spicy.
Okay.
It's no, but then Jenna Lugu when I come.
Okay, so you're adding the salt to it?
Because I use spicy behind Jenna spicy some day.
So no other cube will be added, only the salt is.
Remember my alcohol come.
Yeah, sometimes you need to go natural and raw. As I keep saying, dawa, you can replace your cube with dawa. Man, it's exceptional and fantastic. You just love it, okay? Just try it one day. Ignore everything and just use dawa for your spices or for your seasoning, and you know the outcome of the food. But both of
my father about to turn to me down, walk a crap. The young one when you're quite 10.
Okay. So a bit of oil has been added just to prevent the fish from stacking on the grill. Okay, so the oil will prevent it from stacking or sticking. Both of the two of them will. Yeah, so now it's 10 minutes and so we just give a bit of smoke to it, then we use it for the soup. Yeah? So you can choose to use fish, only fish if you want, and you can choose to add meat. So this is optional, optional or choices. Yeah, so the kind of choice that you want, then you do it. Yeah, it's just to make your food garnishing and have different flavors. Anyway, yeah, okay.
Moko garlic, no ginger.
Okay. Now, garden eggs, no.
Garden eggs.
Okay. Okay, so we're about to boil our garden eggs with the pepper. So we add everything to it: onion, garden eggs, and the pepper, red pepper. Okay, so this is groves and aniseed. Fennel seed. So our garden eggs is now okay after 10-15 minutes. It's about to start our meat, our soup, and that is the basement or the foundation of the soup. Anyway, we have actually chas over here, chasamwa, yeki yokodo, style BRB. Okay, so we have our ginger and garlic over here, and everything's been added. Anyway. So we have cloves and onion, aniseed, and yeah, all the seasoning, the natural herbal seasoning. Anyway. So we're about to grind our garden eggs, the onion and the pepper together, and we are still using the same local blender. Anyway, everything well, asanka puyoyo.
Yeah, true. Asanka, yeah, baby, asanka.
Okay.
If it's a push more, no better than no Yakubu, and not so that you are there. Can say push your master so, your father open Kawai. If it's any idea, I won't know, and no be so why. Yakuyo, and it's a was and Kwa, Yakuyo, I'm halfway, and it's a was and Kwa. Any other thing, if it's a cat, muscle brother. Yakuyo.
Okay, so we are adding our tomato paste to it, and it goes in the basement. Yeah, okay. We are now adding our garden eggs, the garden eggs inside. So this is sliced soup and so a bit of water added to the sanka puyoyo. So we have meat, and all the meat are displayed inside. Anyway, so very soon we'll be grinding our tomatoes and the avocado. Anyway, stay BRB. Yeah, so this is like more like Kobin Kwine. Hey, Kobin Kwine. Okay, so we have our dawa over here, dawa powder, and that's what we're using for the seasoning. Okay, so no cube dawa. Yeah, okodo. Wow. It's time to grind the tomatoes and once again to the sanka offense, the local blender, yeah. Sanka Puyoyo. And the record. Okay, so now we're about to boil our yam and it's about to go down. Okay, so the yam and within 20-25 minutes it will be ready. Okay, so we're now adding our okra to the soup. We just added our tomato sauce to it and the okra. Yeah, so this is our light soup, and very soon over there the pounding will commence and okra. Anyway.
This is your name. I've used my name.
Okay, so a bit of salt. So please use your spoon. She knows what she's doing, to know, or use measurement. But when we're doing it, be careful with the spoon and the measurement. Yeah, so a bit of salt has been added to it. Yeah, just to finalize everything. So yeah, so this is our live soup, and you see how the oil has come. That chasing we deliver no who you know. Mr. Quickways. Yeah. Okay. So it's the time is now, and we have a Atinga over here. From so Atinga from Bolega. Yeah, Atinga from Bolega, and he's doing the pounding for the fufu. Yeah, so we are using yam to do the fufu. Okay. So yeah, so this is pounding fufu in the UK, and big ups to Mr. Kwao Cancer for highlighting me to get this mortar. I truly appreciate Mr. Kwao in Cancer. Yeah, okay. So a lady asked how to do fufu. You say basically this is how fufu is being pounded. Yeah, so it can be cassava or yam, and then we have our plantain. So you first do the plantain. You make sure that you pound it very well so that I don't have any balls in it. And yeah, so basically it's not anything difficult. Just knowing how to go about it. Yeah, very interesting. So this is a traditional local food from Ghana. And it can be served with so many kinds of food. So one soup that we have over here is light soup.
I go see a body, I go see a bassa, they night to they da bassa, I go see a nentu, I go see a sokani koda, sige, oh the diala. What do you have to say today?
Oh, it's everything is Orkodo. Anyway, that's the slogan, and then the vibe. Everything is Orkodo. So as you can see, Tim in the building, y'all. Yeah. So we are adding our plantain to the yam, and yeah, just like doing cassava fufu. Okay, so the plantain will blend to have the balance of the carbohydrates or the starch, you know. Okay, yeah, Yeah, so this is our final food, and as you can see, looking delicious. Oikodo, man, this is fresh tilapia. This is salted fish. We have some pork meat over there, focus, black chasamu, okro, and the light soup over here. And this is UK going on. Oikodo. Wow. Oikodo, yeah. Ongoing, yeah. So we done with the food and the testing officer wanted to take and give me the rundown everything. Yeah, so cool. Papa Parkway. You are invited, yeah? As you can see.
Oh, mommy, you're not ever forward. Front.
Wow. I enjoy myself. This is the first time watching this subscribe to the fish notify. Follow my Facebook and TikTok everywhere, yeah. Cooking with Cinda, connect it again. For Shizzle Manism, yeah.
Mama,